boxing, but Andrew with Jordan with us. How are you, Jordan?
Not too bad.
Just finished some body sparring with all the boys. How was that?
Killer session. I was straight, so it's always good to get a bounce in, a good sweat on. So it's a good session.
Yeah, you're looking well. Looking big. You still middleweight?
Yeah, I walk around like 13-2, 13-3, so we've the super middle on the day now, and then obviously the day before, it'll be middle then, it'll be easier to make, 22 hours to refuel on the day, so it'll be a bit of a killer like.
We've seen you recently been out to Poland with Augustnik. What was that like?
Yeah, it's a good experience. Be part of Queensbury, Poland, over there watching a show in Big House Castle. So it was good to be involved in the show again, like to watch a bit of boxing in person.
Give us some itchy knuckles.
Oh yeah, definitely. Can't wait now.
I seen obviously when I said you're looking big. You seen you got a new strength and conditioning coach.
Yeah.
How was that help though?
Yeah, well, bringing Richard Thomas on board has helped me massively. Like my power, everything, my speed. So it's brilliant. It's good with fitness and everything. So it's great now. It's just adding that extra bit to my game.
You're currently 2-0 in the professional ranks now. When are we seeing you back in the ring?
Hopefully it's first week of August, maybe second. Hopefully be my last 4-rounder. I'll be stepping straight to 6'10". Hopefully target titles by the end of next year, early year after.
With all this pandemic, it must be so frustrating. As you're looking to be active, before we end up back in lockdowns, are you looking to be as active as you can?
Oh yeah, definitely. So it's just been waiting for a year and a half now. It's frustrating, like, but it's kind of good because I'm still young. I'm only 20 now. Yeah, I got time to learn in the gym and I'm growing into a man now. Like, so by the time I'm going to the ring, it's going to be a different level now.
What is the goal? Is a world title on the cards, Phil?
Yeah, definitely. Hopefully get a world title, push on from here. So I know well standard. Once I get my experience, I know I can blow it up really. It's just all about time. There's no point running before I can walk now. It's just getting that experience. I know when my time comes, everyone will know really.
Happy days. So is there any news so far on the cards, or?
We're trying to get a show in the ICC, the new one, by the Celtic Manor. So hopefully that comes off and crowds are due out back in. So it'd be great then to get everyone back involved, like. So, but I think Gavin got a fight first week of August, I think, hopefully. But then with Gavin being the Commonwealth champion, it gives me opportunities really to get on the other cards of his shows.
Yeah, 100%. Last but not least, how can people track your career through your social media?
Joe Miller's on Joe Miller 16 on Instagram and Joe Miller's on Facebook, and just follow me and watch the journey really.
Happy days. See you later, George.